Welcome to our channel, Icomo Excel. Today we'll do an introduction to tables. Using tables is a very useful feature for Excel. For today's example, we have a list of invoices. They're sorted by number and date. We also see the customer, amount, tax, total, payment, and balance. You might have a similar list to track your inventory or your customers, vendors, etc. The very first step to create a table is to press the Control key plus T, and once we do this, this question will come up. It's going to ask us where is the data for the table we are creating, and if the data has headers, which in our example for today it does. Uh, you can double check, make sure there's no blank spaces, uh, and all your data should be selected, as we can see uh, with the little dots here. So we're gonna hit OK, and as soon as we do that, we see the our data changes. Also very important, at the top, a new menu comes up. This menu is for the functions of the table, and we're gonna talk a little bit about some of these options. So first, we have our table styles over here to the right. Uh, you can change the color, you can change the shade. There's many options over here. We're gonna stay with the default for now, but know that there's all sorts of styles here. You can also create a new style if you don't see one that you like in the presets. So that's fun. And also there's other style options over here, kind of in the middle, where you can add the color either to the rows or to the columns. You can have it on both. Might be a little too crowded. You can also take away the filter, put it back, have the header show or hidden, and also you can have a total row at the bottom. So we're gonna select that option, and we're gonna see that our total for the balance comes all the way over here automatically. But also you can add any other some other functions to your bottom line. You can have an average, have a count, max, min, sum. So you could see, for example, if what was your biggest sale. So we can do a max over here, or you can see what is your average for every sale, and that it's gonna, depending what you're looking for and your information, this could be very useful. So we're gonna go back to the top and then see some of our other options in the tools box. You can change this table into the pivot table. We'll have a future video for those. You can also remove duplicates. And lastly, you can also convert it back to a range. So undoing the table, basically. If you ever need to reverse the formatting, you can do it with this button right here. But we're not going to do that today. The other feature I want to talk about on tables today is the filters. As you can see at the top, we have these triangles inside the buttons, and we can select any of the customers. We can select multiple. So for example, if someone from, let's say, Maria's Cleaning Services calls and they want to know what their balance is, you can quickly filter them, hit OK, and automatically our totals at the bottom are gonna update. So for these questions, you can tell them quickly that their balance is $1,700, uh, or you might be looking for which invoices have been paid already. So you can filter the balance over here to all the zeros. So very quick way to get some answers, especially if you have lots and lots of data. This is a small sample, but you might have hundreds or even thousands of rows. So this becomes very useful. You can also have a slicer if you press the insert slicer button right here, and it works similar than the filters over here. You select what you're going to look for. Let's just do customer again and do OK. And then a slicer comes up here. You can select either singular customers, or you can also do a multiple selection right here with this button and see more than one customer at a time. So this is very useful. There's lots more to do with tables, but for today, an introductory video, that's all we're gonna do. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and send us any questions or features of Excel you would like to see in a future video. Thank you.